What's going on, Chuck? This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So I know Joshua spoke to you a little bit earlier, but let's go ahead and take a look at your website, see what's going on, and see if there's anything we can help with. So right off the bat, what we do, all services. Okay, this is fine. I don't see anything wrong with it. As long as you give people a form of direction, that is good to go. And it looks like you are directing them in the right way, where you are. You went for Rancho Cordova, but I noticed on the bottom Sacramento as well. Explore our providers, discounts, financing. Excellent. Services. Okay, yeah, no, nothing wrong with that. Everything's good. You have your number up here. You have your logo. Not a lot of coloring on the page, which is fine, but you do have some good pictures. Contact us. Excellent. Good for you. Ask your questions. Yes. So what you're doing is you're prompting people to continuously get in contact with you. You're doing a great job with that. Non-reparable floors. Reveal the Nature Valley shine. Looking for family friendly. Need help. Okay, so nothing wrong. I mean, not a lot of content as far as, the actual flooring aspect goes, but, still it's a good website to have. It's structured nicely. How can we help? Name, phone, email, select project. Okay, good. You're not asking them to put their email, I mean, not email, their address in, thank God. Um, let's just scroll a little more. Shop all the best manufacturers. Nothing wrong with that. I'm going to assume you help them pick the right one for them. Blue Valley Handcraft Hardwood Floor, excellent. And then serving Sacramento and surrounding areas. So I kind of compared you with Sacramento, but let's take a look at your back end, see how you're doing. So right off the bat, your dream floor, you're not doing bad. 11 UR, which is how strong your website is. 1.1 DR, which is how much Google trusts you. So yeah, that's bad. You want them in the 30s and 40s, ratio 1 to 1, and that has to do with your backlinks. Now, a backlink is where you have your website link somewhere else where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when it does return to you. Now, and not all of them are created equal. Some are, spammier than others. So you definitely want to take care of that. You're not using like a lot of BuzzFeed and Wikipedia stuff. And I can already tell the ratio of referring domains to backlinks isn't great. So that's why your UR and DR rating are the way they are. Also, the quality might not be great either, because you can get some good UR and DR ratings with that, with 205 backlinks. But anyway, the last thing is your organic keywords. You have 180 of them, so 180 different chances for Google to match you up with what it is you're offering. So this one's gone, so we don't care about it. Blue hardwood floors is your name, so I'm not really going to look at that one. What I'm looking for is a specific kind of keyword that is both location and service specific, because that does two things. It lets me know somebody is looking for this specific service and they live in your location. So hardwood floors, Rancho Cordova, California, that's where you want to rank. 30 people are searching for it. You're getting one person every month, and you're in position number 9. So just scrolling down a little more, patio floor ideas, don't care about that one. Again, these are ideas. I can see that because if you look at the 9 indoor-outdoor flooring ideas, again, we don't care. We want to look for the specific location that you guys are in, because then I know that they are calling me, or even these people here live in my area. But now I don't know. They could be anywhere in the United States. So just scrolling through, we lost these two. Outdoor floor ideas, nothing wrong with that. You're not ranking for any of the good stuff. Floor covering stores, Rancho Cordova. If you're a store, great. If you're not a store, don't do that, because there might be many stores out in Rancho. I mean, no, actually, it's fine. No, leave it as is. But if you're a store, yeah, definitely. Patio flooring ideas. Okay, tile store, Rancho Cordova. We're going for stores, outdoor flooring idea. Most people don't type in, or at least from what I understand, the people looking for a job, I don't know. Industries are different. Not going to say anything about it. But when I'm looking for a painter to paint my house, I'm not looking for a paint store. I'm looking for the painter. So I'm just going to type in painter, whatever city I live in, not painter, whatever city I live in, store. So just to, give you an idea, Taos to Rancho. So I'm just going through. I'm not seeing any great stuff you're ranking for any of the great keywords. Now, you do have 266 keywords or 162 actually active keywords. So I'm not sure if, without going through the entire list, because that, it's just too much to go through, how much that's actually helping you versus them just being random, that 9 ways to help the indoor and outdoor flooring part page you have. But let's take a look at this. Flooring, Sacramento, California. So let's see what pops up. So we have our GMB over here. You'll always see this. Very important to get in here. About 30-40% of all people will click on one of these 3 people. And then you have after that flooring liquidators as your first inorganic searches. Now this is a back page of a back page. So theoretically, can I go to S&G, carpet, and more? Sure, I can go. But also this is a back page of a back page. Maybe Sacramento isn't as big as people think. This would be your first major company that is local. But let's take flooring liquidators because they are the number 1. Now, There's a lot here. I mean, they obviously have the hardwood tile. They kind of make it very easy for people to go through. So that's good. Their number is where? I don't see their number. Okay, 10 points off them for no number. It's right there, 279. But it's still, you always want it at the top where people can see it right away. Okay, Sacramento, shop flooring. They give nice pictures. Great, great locations. Not a lot of content, but let's take a look at their backend because they're still doing really well. Now, they have 16 UR ratings, so they have a decent website and their DR. Now, again, this isn't the main homepage, flooringliquidators.net. This is a second, third, fourth. This is like a fifth back page that they're ranking for. That's why they only have 20 and 14, but their UR and DR is excellent. I'll show you why in a second. They have 225 organic keywords for this specific back page, so they're doing pretty good on that one. Let's find out what they are. But before I go there, I'm going to let it load up with what it is that they have in total. But here's what we got. Flooring Sacramento, 600 a month. They're getting 89 because they're in position number 3. When you're in position 1, 2, or 3, you'll get anywhere from 10 to 20% of all search volume. And as you can see, that's holding true. A little more than 10%. Flooring in Sacramento. Sacramento Flooring. Flooring Liquidator Sacramento. I don't care about that one. Flooring Store Sacramento. Excellent. Now, I can probably look a little bit in the area that, you have some keywords. What is it? Anarcardana? No, that's not it. What is it called? Rancho Cordova. Cordova. I mean, we can probably take a look at that, but essentially look at the keywords they're ranking for. It's specific specific location and specific service. And yeah, they're ranking pretty good for all that. All this traffic is legitimate traffic coming in from excellent, good keywords. So these people live in the area and they're actually looking for this. So let's take a look back and see what their entire website looks like. See, if we go to floorliquidators.net, in the entire country, they have all of this. Yes, they can do better at the UR rating, but they're still getting about almost 47,000 people to their website every single month, which is insane. And it looks like they did a lot of work over the past 3 years to get them there. They've gone downhill a little bit, but whatever. Anyway, how does this really help you out? All you got to do, honestly, is take a look at what kind of keywords you really want in there. I understand you're going to want stuff that have to do with Rancho Cordova, Fair Oak, Sacramento, Folsom, whatever that says, and then Oregonville or Orangevale, Citrus Heights, and El Dorado Hills. So you would definitely want keywords with, the service idea behind those as well. You're going to want to get a lot more backlinks that actually help you guys out instead of it harming you, because it looks like you've plateaued for a little while over here. See. And then finally, after that, you're going to, content, if you don't have the right keywords, then you're going to want to add content to add the right keywords. And then once you get the right keywords, you're going to want to focus on your backlinks so that you can rank for those keywords. Anyway, that's all I got. If you have any questions for me, Chuck, let me know. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.